What's up, guys? Today I'm going to do a short tutorial on how to test an LCD if you don't have the password from the client. As you know, some of the clients have passwords on their phones, and maybe you forgot to ask for the password, or maybe the client doesn't want you to have his password. So the way that I'm using to test the LCDs that I'm replacing is this. So as you can see, this is a new LCD. Well, normally for this brand, for Samsung, if you are buying genuine LCD, you don't really have to test it because they are mostly 100% alright, but I test them anyway, because if there is a problem with the LCD, they are very expensive and I can't afford to lose the money just because I didn't want to test it before. So the way you test them without the password is, of course, power on the phone, and then as you want to unlock it, you don't slide to unlock, you want to go to the camera, and you will take a photo with the phone, like any kind of photo. I'll just take this photo. So after you have the photo, you can open it from here, and now what you have to do is to zoom in somewhere on the photo, let's say here, okay? And now you will hold the touch screen and you will move the photo with your finger, okay? And this way you will test the touch screen of the LCD assembly. Alright, so if it has some problems, you will see that it will not respond to your movement of the finger. So as you can see, this one is alright. Now for the LCD, you just take a look at the photo. You can take photos of different colors if you want to, and see if there are shadows on the LCD, but mainly what you have to test out is the touchscreen in most of the cases, because that's where the things going bad. So normally if the LCD is bad, you will see it while maybe powering the phone up or something like that, but the touchscreen can have some issues that you can see with your eyes, so you have to test it out. So this is how I'm testing the touchscreen and LCD of a phone that I have no password to unlock, and yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.